What's up, YouTube family? It's your man Young Carlos here from Kickclusive. Today we got another exclusive video for you, a little special. It's a shoe that you don't see every day. But before we get there, make sure to give us a like and comment down below what you want to see up next. So let's get to the shoe of the day. So here you got a Chinese label human race box, and you got the Chinese Adidas in the back. Let's check out these bad boys. Oof. Probably the best human race I have seen. Move the box to the side. So these are very exclusive, only 300 pairs made. These are friends and family edition, very exclusive. These released only in Asia, and they came out with the other 3 Asia release right here on the side. So now let's get back to these. These are the gold, the happy, friends and family again. So let's start with the top. You got the Chinese characteristics on the left shoe. You got happy on the right. You got nice gold speckle throughout the whole shoe. Very beautiful. You got gold speckle on the bottom of the shoe. Another very dope concept they added. You got like a metallic gold on the sides of the shoe. On the back of the shoe where you got Pharrell's, and on the other one you got Adidas, is also metallic gold. These laces come with a white and gold lace, or an additional old white lace you want to match. The inside is white knitting throughout with the same human race pattern on the bottom. These resell for about $10,000 and up. I haven't seen nobody really with them. But probably by far the best human race I've seen. The color on it is just crazy. One of my favorites. It beats even the first ones. But up next, you got more quality pick and an unfilled review. Enjoy.